Are you a property manager or facility maintenance director for a distillery? Then listen up because I've got something for you. Hey, DJ Carroll here, president of EasyPro, and I'm here today to tell you about a unique and exciting project we recently took care of for the Stitzel Weller Distillery in Louisville, Kentucky. The Stitzel Weller Distillery was opened on Derby Day in 1935. Now, while today the facility is used mostly for aging, it still remains a staple among the Kentucky Bourbon Trail and produces some well-known brands like I.W. Harper and Blade & Bow. Now, while we weren't there to clean the warehouses per se, we still took on quite a large job. As for the exterior cleaning, we were responsible for pressure washing and window cleaning the Welcome Center, the Stillhouse, the guard shack, the sidewalks, and the main entrance area, as well as the sign. We call this the high focus area, or the section A. Anytime you enter a distillery, it's the main areas that people will take as they're entering or leaving the property, and you want to just make those look really warm, clean, and inviting. We also cleaned this roof, and this roof. As for interior cleaning, we did all of the windows inside the Welcome Center, making them shine like brand new, getting all those smudges and fingerprints off the glass to renew the shine and curb appeal. The dirt was no match for our low-pressure, high-flow system that pumps out over 10 gallons per minute and utilizes our proprietary blends of soap. As for the window cleaning, we made use of our custom water-fed pole system that uses pure water and leaves the windows spot-free. We do it this way to ensure that the dirt is cleaned away while preserving the exterior of the property. Being around since 1935, we wanted to take extra precautions to make sure that we didn't damage any of the bricks or the mortars. That's why we would never use high pressure on any building facades. Not only could it cause damage, but it could also lead to water intrusion. Check out this before and after. Wow, just look at those results. Here's a before and after. It looks just like new. Wow, can you believe that? Wow, would you just look at that? Before and after. Don't replace it, have us clean it. Amazing. This project took us 3 weeks to complete. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's way too long. However, we were only able to clean on Mondays and Tuesdays, as this is an active tourist destination with hundreds of people visiting weekly and open to the public Wednesday through Sundays. We are here to accommodate your needs and work when it's the most convenient for you. So, if you're a property manager or maintenance facility director at a distillery and you need cleaning, call in the pros. As we say, make life easy and call the pros. You can rest assured that you'll be dealing with trained professional technicians that are backed by an unmatched customer service infrastructure. We use custom-built equipment, professional processes, and proprietary soaps to achieve professional results every time. If your distillery needs cleaned, make life easy and call a pro.